In this video, brought to you by TrashBots, you will learn about the metronome activity. For this activity, we will create a metronome that keeps time for a song. Step 1. Gather materials. Gather your materials. For this activity, a kit, pucks, gears. Step 2. Design. Design how to create your metronome with additional materials. Step 3. Build. Put together your gear system and set up your metronome device. Step 4. Program. Program the metronome on T-blocks. Step 5. Test. Test your metronome. Does it work how you wanted it to? Step 6. Experiment. Experiment with the setup of your metronome and the way you use materials to create a sound. Step 7. Retest. Retest your metronome with the improvements you made. Does it work better? Step 8. Recap. Reflect on how you did. Was making the metronome easy? How did changing the gears change the way the metronome worked and the speed of the metronome? For more lessons and information, visit www.trashbots.co.